In this intelligent era, conventional cooking spaces have become efficient smart spaces. The TrueG Intelligent Cooking Robot is an intelligent commercial kitchen product presented by Shenzhen Top Band Company Limited, opening up a new business format of intelligent catering. In 2024, TrueG products are newly upgraded. Overall waterproofing against flushing, specially designed for the kitchen. Leak-tight and heat insulation double-layer thickened door panels. Sleek metal body with greater safety. Flexible and free roller design. More perfect functions through further technology upgrading. The 6 major modules collaborate flexibly and efficiently. The 3-layer pot made of a composite material generates a pot flavor during high-temperature cooking without food safety risks. It has ultra-high thermal conductivity, a physical non-sticking property, and the advantage of uniform heating. The 3 major temperature control technologies realize accurate heat control and closed-loop temperature control in the whole cooking process. Exclusive heating coil winding technology increases the heating area. The open pot with all-round stir-frying provides a larger heating area and more sufficient cooking. One-to-one restoration of the chef's cooking process and creates a strong pot flavor. Newly upgrades with 4 feed boxes for more combinations and a larger capacity. Faster, more stable, and more accurate grab-top ingredient feeding. Fully dismountable module for more convenient fetching and cleaning. The specially designed holding module realizes thawing in just 10 minutes after starting and supports the constant temperature storage of oils. Intelligent seasoning system that can be programmed to meet individualized user needs for flavoring. Bottom plates of stirring blade and are matted with a Teflon non-stick coating, realizing residue-free cooking and more accurate discharge. Discharging from the center of food ingredients to bring out the best of food ingredients and improve dish flavors. This multi-purpose machine meets diverse cooking needs, one-touch operations, and fully automated services for convenient, intelligent cooking. It's a versatile and efficient machine. The intelligent cloud platform integrates upstream, midstream, and downstream information in the whole catering industry chain. Digitally intelligent control with comprehensive coverage empowers operations of catering enterprises. Convenient and efficient intelligence is supported by solid technical strength. Top Band has organized a powerful technical team, completed multiple product upgrades in 7 years, and performed tens of thousands of safety and reliability tests, and owns over 200 software and hardware product patents. Top Band ensures product quality stability and offers sound after-sales services. Top Band is a leading global provider of intelligent control solutions with 29 years of expertise in the industry and has been successful so far and received numerous honorary titles, including National Enterprise Technology Center. Top Band has a CNAS laboratory and received multiple national and international certifications, including the ISO IEC 27001 Information Security Management System and over 3,400 patent applications. TrueG Intelligent Cooking Robot always creates value for customers through intelligent control technology to promote the digitally intelligent transformation and low-carbon development of the Chinese catering industry, creating a smart and bright future together.